on, hurry up! I can't wait to get started! We're finally here! Let's go inside! Are you ready, roomie? I don't remember it looking like this. There was definitely a lot less spiders in the pictures. It's gross! We need to fix this. That's better. Let's get to work. I love a good makeover. This wallpaper has to go. Wow, that's really stuck on. Whoa! Are you okay? Who turned the lights out? What's going on? This is so not funny. That's it. Now it's personal. This bed has seen better days. Push! Woohoo! Go! Go! How much do you weigh? You know, this is fun. Nailed it! Let's go, bestie! Ta-da! Check out these moves! Ugh, who thought this was a good idea? Oh, I've read this one. We're almost finished! We did it! Woo! We missed some. That's okay. We'll just rip it down. Huh? Who draws the poop emoji? Whoa! What's that? Is it snowing?
I love my job!
Hey, stop it! The roof is gonna run! That was close. That could have been nasty. Wait, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Lay a piece of foam tiling on a flat surface. Next, you'll need a rectangular piece of card. Trace around the rectangle onto the tile. Repeat this all over the tile. You want to create a brick-like pattern. Now we need to score the foam. Make shallow grooves in the foam, removing the ink. All you have to do is follow the lines. Just like this. Then fill in the gaps with white paint, covering up any remaining ink. Now apply paint to the tile. Place a small amount on each brick. Start to paint the tile. The foam gives a nice textured effect. Let's get this on the way! Perfect! No more poop emoji! It looks better already! Good job! Is that the door? Hello?
Hi! I'm selling this amazing drill!
Nope!
Ahem. I hadn't finished. I'm also cooking up a storm with this frying pan!
No! What? Okay, it's a deal. I mean, oh no.
How about the mystery prize? Only $2.
Oh, please, can we? Why not?
Just another happy customer. Now hand over the money. Bye-bye.
I wonder what it is. Let's open it. Wow! It's a mirror! This is just what we need! I'll just get rid of this paper. This might not have been a good idea. The frame is damaged. We can't hang this on the wall. Hey! Come back! Aha! This is just what I want. Sorry, Teddy, but I need your stuffing. Looking to upgrade an old mirror? Try this out. Stick a strip of LED lights along the frame. Bend the lights around the corners. We want it to be one continuous strip. Once you've done that, start to apply glue over the LED strip. Make sure you don't miss any spots. A zigzag pattern is ideal for this. Almost done. Now stick the teddy bear stuffing onto the glue. Give it a press to make sure it's secure. Repeat this all the way around the frame. Make sure that none of the LED strip is showing. Once you've finished, stick artificial butterflies to the stuffing. This is looking great! This is starting to look more like a home, and I love the lighting effect. Wow! It's amazing! It's like a little part of nature. I look good. Oh, this work is making me sleepy. This is so comfortable. I'm so glad you came over.
I wouldn't miss it.
What a great sleep! Whoa! Naomi, wake up! kissing your pillow again. Well, there was a cute guy in my dream. It's okay. I have an idea. It's my darling daughter. Yes? Hi, Mom. We've got some lipstick stains on our pillows. I'm on my way! This is an emergency! My poor little baby. Mommy's coming! Let's go! Look out! Coming through! Are you okay, honey? Oh, hi, Mom! We've got a problem. See? Don't worry, girls. I've got this. Place tape around the edge of the pillow. Next, start to stick smaller pieces of tape at an angle. Make a row of small triangles. Repeat this all the way down the pillow, filling in any gaps with tape. Once you've done that, remove one row of tape, just like this. Be careful not to peel off any other tape. Working down the pillow, remove every second row of tape. Then, grab a brush and start painting. Dab the brush over the top row of triangles. The tape acts as a border, stopping any messy accidents. Paint each row a different color. Once the paint is dry, peel off the remaining tape. This part is nice and relaxing. Again, be careful. We don't want to ruin any of our hard work. Then just remove the tape from around the edges. That's better than any lipstick stains. What do you think, girls? Looks good, huh? Whoa! It's awesome! Thanks, Mom! Oh, I know! I need a photograph! Smile! Aw, it's so cute! I'm just glad I could help. Bye, Mom! Where can we put this? No. Nope. Ha! Look! I'm art! We can't use this. I don't know what to do. Who's that? What is it? A note? Thanks, I guess. Open it. I think it's a code. Was that safe always there? There might be treasure in there. It's a pretty obvious code. I wonder what's inside. Wooden skewers? Place a wooden skewer on a flat surface and apply a small dab of glue to the end. Continue doing this until you have a large frame. Place a skewer down the middle, splitting the square in half. Glue another skewer horizontally to the frame. Continue doing this, filling the frame. Do the same vertically, then paint it. Personalize the frame by adding some decorations. It makes a great way to display photographs. There we go! Our first photo frame! It's perfect! We can put all our photographs on it. It's just what we needed. And it looks great. There's nothing better than hanging out with my bestie. Aw, we look so cute! Having fun and creating memories. Yeah! Finally! It looks like a home! It looks good, right? It was so disgusting! What a difference! And it's so bright and colorful now. It was hard work, but it was totally worth it. We hope you enjoyed this room makeover. What was your favorite part? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.
Let go. It's my marshmallow. No, it's mine. No!
Oh, marshmallow! It's so good! Hello, girls. I've had it with your mess, young ladies.
Oh. That's how you do it. Perfect. Your turn.
Yeah, okay. Ooh, time to make breakfast.
I'm a Barbie girl in a…
It needs cheese and ketchup. Let's add everything in our pantry.
Gotta make sure they are equal.
You know what? I'll add some dessert. Now that's what I call a full meal. Oh, good job, Luna.
Thanks, Mom.
Huh?
Hey, Mom! What do you think of my recipe?
Get out of my kitchen.
Check out my moves! Ha! Let's clean up everything! Oh. Wow!
Don't need this anymore. I call dips on the bottom bunk.
Body cake, baker's man.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah.
I've always wanted to do this.
Daydreaming. Let's go to work. I want it to be the bluest blue ever.
Now let's secure it in place.
This will be the best dream house in town.
Can't wait to play on it.
Wow, looks good.
Wow! I love it!
We need more details. Right, Alice? Alice? Hello? Hey! Butterflies?
Oh, they're so pretty.
Ew.
Alice, I came all the way to see you.
I know. I hope you don't mind me borrowing these butterflies.
For you.
Thank you.
Hey!
Now, where should you go? Now the tower is complete. Cool, right?
But
We need to continue all the structures.
All right.
Whoa! Turn off the light!
It's so dark.
Let's see. I hear it.
Thanks, Luna. Can't wait to bite into this.
Alice, this is mine. It's melted. I know. Careful. Whoa!
So naughty.
Oh, Alice, look what I found.
Cool. What is it?
It's a refrigerator, silly. And it's got strawberries. You know what to do.
Yeah, what?
We dip them in chocolate, of course. Now let's do all of them. Then put the whole batch in the fridge and wait. And wait and wait. Let's see if they are done. They look so good. Wow.
Whoa.
Wow, it looks so tasty. I want to have a bite.
Oh, I forgot something again. Oh, my legs. I've had enough of stairs. Oh, this will help me. Done. Good luck. And buckle up. Starting in 10.
She played astronaut?
8,
A weirdo.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Yay!
Wow. It worked.
Whoa! Yay! We need to do a party! Cool party! Wow! Hi, Alice! Hi, Luna!
Hi, Kate.
Hi!
Hi, Alice. Hi, Luna.
Hi,
Hi,
Timmy.
Timmy!
Hi, Alice. Hi, Luna.
Hi, Michelle!
Hi, Alice. Hi, Luna.
Hi!
Hi, Alice. Hi, Luna.
Hi, Joey.
Hi, Joey!
Let's party.
Whoa, this is the best party ever.
It was so